So the fact that they actually give you the solutions for t, and now they're trying to find c, well, it's up to you. Take your pick, plug in either one for t. I'm going to plug in the 3 halves. Why not? Let's avoid a negative 7 halves being plugged in. If I plug in 3 halves plus 1, and all that's squared, plus c equals 0. Now, technically, I could use solver, and you might be thinking, but isn't this quadratic? Well, notice it's not that the variable c is being squared, it's everything else. So let me show you that real quick. Let's go into programs. And remember, solver is one of our MVP's most valuable programs. It's program number 5. And I'll just type in this left side. And remember, you don't really want to use alpha y equals because in a program, it's not going to do anything. So I'm just going to type it out like this. And that whole quantity is squared. So I'm going to put squared and then plus x, enter 0. And I get negative 6.25. Okay, so I know it's not going to be negative 1. If I was unsure what that is, unfortunately, notice what happens if I go alpha y equals and try to change the decimal to a fraction with option number 4. When you do that from a program, it doesn't work. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to type in the negative 6.25. I'll just put enter, and then I'll go ahead and do alpha y equals, choose option number 4, and it changes it to option C. Now, I could do it by hand. I don't see why I would, but this is the same as 1 over 1 or 2 over 2. 2 over 2 plus 3 over 2 is 5 over 2. And then I could go ahead and square the numerator and denominator. And then finally, when you subtract over the 25 fourths, you get negative 25 fourths. And you would get the same thing if you had plugged in negative 7 halves.